Leah and the Wise Gamer's Guide. Leah loved her video games. They were full of colorful worlds and exciting challenges. But sometimes, a little worry tickled her heart. Does God like me playing games? She wondered. One sunny afternoon, Leah visited her Uncle Silas, who always had the best stories and the wisest advice. She found him tending his garden, humming a happy tune. "Uncle Silas," Leah began, "is gaming bad? My friends play, and it's fun, but sometimes I feel like I spend too much time on it, or I see games that make me feel a bit yucky inside." Uncle Silas smiled. "Leah, imagine a hammer. Is a hammer bad?" Leah shook her head. "No," she said. "It helps build things." "Exactly," Uncle Silas replied. "But if you hit your finger with it, or use it to break something, then it causes harm. Gaming is a bit like that hammer." God gives us gifts, Leah, like our time, our minds, and even fun things like games. He wants us to use them wisely like good stewards. The Bible tells us to make the most of every opportunity and to think about what is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and admirable. So how do we use gaming wisely? Leah asked, her eyes sparkling with understanding. Uncle Silas picked up a smooth, round stone. "First, always pray," he said. "Ask God for wisdom to choose games and manage your time." "Second, check the content," Uncle Silas continued. "Is the game kind? Does it make you feel good and happy? Or does it make you feel angry or scared? Does it teach good things or bad? Third, manage your time. God wants us to have fun, but also to have time for family, school, church, and playing outside. Set a timer, and when it rings, put the controller down. It helps with self-control, a fruit of the Spirit. Fourth, check your heart. Is gaming becoming more important than God or your family? Is it making you unkind or disobedient? If so, it might be becoming an idol, and God wants to be first in your heart. And finally, Uncle Silas winked, can you use it wisely? Can you play with friends, or learn problem-solving skills, or even use your creativity to design your own games? When we use our gifts for good, we honor God.